Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to unstake your liquidity pool in Tron environment. So actually just now I've tried to unstake and get some few dollars, but I actually do have a difficulty to do it. So what I'm thinking, I think I managed to find out how to do it. So what I'm thinking, I will just create a video for this just to make sure other people with the same issue, I can actually help them to resolve this. Okay, so what I did from here, as you can see here, I've actually do have a liquidity pool Sun to TRX or Tron. Previously here, when I go in the Genesis mining, oh, by the way, they changed the templates here, so it's really confusing for me versus to the old one. So I still prefer the old templates. But anyways, so what I did just now, I went to my Sanayo, then go in here. So I got two things here. Actually, so I do have a liquidity pool. At the same time, I'm participating on stake pool as well. So now I want to take some of my money from this liquidity pool, and I found out that this is not really straightforward. So okay, so what I did, I just took 3,000 liquidity pool here in my Sun and Tron. So previously this is actually five trees, blah blah blah. So what I did, I just removed this 3,000 from here, and it only remains 2,300. So before you doing this, make sure you do have enough energy and bandwidth. If not, then make sure you do have the TRX token in your wallet. So I failed in my previous attempt because I've just realized I don't have enough energy for that transaction. So what I did, I just unfreeze my bandwidth just to have me a few TRX on my wallet. So having that said, I need to go back here on my wallet, make sure that you do have enough available Tron to pay the gas fee or burn this Tron for this transaction. All right, so after I've done the withdrawing here, the thing is I cannot find where I can just um un liquidity pool, that one. Unliquidity pool means separate the Sun and TRX so I can sell both and actually I can transfer the money. So here you don't have an option, but when I go here in just swap, I can see both my liquidity pool here. So here, what I want to try to do is actually just remove my liquidity pool, but I'm not quite sure if this is referring to the entire liquidity pool, which is I created long time ago. Yeah. So yeah, let me try to do it now. Just maybe I can just explore some more here or dig in how many I have. Right. So this is actually my previous transaction. Anyways, this may take a while if I go in do this now. So, okay, maybe I'll just cancel this. There's no sun here, right? All right, anyways. So, okay, let me just try to remove this. All right, so this is the equivalent of what I have right now. So I believe this is the one I withdraw, which is 3,000 token. Yeah, This is the one. Let me do my quick calculation here. Calculator. So 3,000. Okay, times how much is a Tron? All right, so okay. All right. So basically what this telling is this is actually my equivalent for the TRX, equivalent to my son's. So basically I've done my calculation here. It's 174, right? So meaning that this TRX is worth 174 USD. Also this sun. So in order for you to do calculation, you just times two this. Then this is the total amount I want to take it from that particular pool. So okay, I'll just put max here. Then I'll just remove this from here and confirm to remove. All right, so again, I need to confirm this on my wallet and I need, of course, to pay extra for this. As you can see here, let me try to dig in on the transaction. Since I do have the coin, it's really straightforward. It allows me to split my money, right? So basically, by right, I have my coins here now. Let's see how much they charge me for this. It's quite really a bit expensive though, but should be fine. I think it's okay. I need to use my wallet to my game. So anyways, let me just close this. Okay, let me just go back here just to make sure that this 2,300 is not touched. Okay, now go to mining. All right, I'm still here. So yeah, it's still good here. So I do have a couple of suns as well here. So this one I don't want to touch it. Just leave this one as well. Okay, let me just go back on this transaction and this wallet. So, okay, in order for you to see, well, yeah, as you can see here, my total amount now is quite good numbers of trons. So this is the total value what I have right now, which is I need that. Then all right. So this is how you actually withdraw your liquidity pool. Hope these guys help you and some people actually might need this tutorial. So yeah, hopefully I actually deliver it properly for you guys. If you have some question, just comment below, then I'll try to answer as much as I can. All right, thanks guys, and God bless all. Cheers.